Hi guys, and welcome back to Tech with Jack. Today we're going to be looking at a new product I recently received. This is a nice simple USB hub that I found on eBay for $13, and for that price it's got some pretty cool features. It has three high-speed USB 3.0 Type A ports, an SD card reader and a TF card reader from SanDisk. It's an extremely lightweight, portable and very small design, and it comes with a normal USB Type A connector that you can plug into your computer. So here I have a relatively large folder, and let's try transferring it onto the same disk, once with a direct connection to my computer and once with a connection through the USB hub, and compare the speed differences, if any. Before we start the transfer, here are the specs on the two machines. My computer is a MacBook Pro 13 inches from late 2013 with 8GB of RAM and a dual-core 4-thread Intel Core i5 Generation 4. And the hard disk I'll be transferring it to is a Seagate Expansion 2TB. For the comparison, I'm going to be using the time command, and we're going to be checking the total time used by the system. The performance dip is minimal, only 4 seconds over a 16GB folder, which is 1 second performance dip per 4GB of transferred data. Incredibly fast for the price. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching Tech with Jack. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I just want to say thank you all so much for 20 subscribers. It actually is pretty cool, seeing as I only started uploading videos about a week ago, and that's fantastic for all the support. If you enjoyed this video, then please do consider subscribing, liking the video, sharing it with your friends, and yeah, thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.